Hey guys. Well, I have another fun little combo vlog for you. I just had some footage of just life around the house that I thought I would share. And then I also was able to throw one of my really good friends here in Tulsa a baby shower. So in this episode, I'm gonna share with you the baby shower details. I did some floral arranging. I even used my favorite Osea body lotion. So thank you to Osea for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about that later on. I'm excited. The Stone Cottage, I'm gearing up to be doing a lot of content about that in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. Sawyer, are you potty training today? We were gonna wait to potty train until this summer, because Sawyer's not even 2.5 yet. And they say to wait longer for boys, but the last 3 days, every time I changed Sawyer's diaper, well, first it started like 2 days ago. I was changing his diaper and he peed on purpose and laughed. And I was like, don't pee while I'm changing your diaper. And then I'm like, wait a minute, you just peed on command. That means your brain knows how to control your bladder. That means you could potty train. And then I was like, do you want to go potty in the toilet? Did you go pee-pee in the potty already?
Yeah. A fruit snack.
You got a fruit snack?
Yeah.
Are you wearing a diaper right now?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, you're wearing... What are you wearing?
Dinosaurs.
Yeah, you're wearing a dinosaur, but what are you wearing on your bottom? Are you wearing underwear? Big boy underwear? Yeah? I was planning on doing this in like, I don't know, 4 weeks. Because we have a baby shower we're going to today. I'm throwing a baby shower next weekend, and my dad's coming in the weekend after that. So after all that stuff, we were gonna do it, but I feel like I need to like ride the excitement of him wanting to potty train. It's not really the most convenient time. But I had big boy underwear, I had a little potty. So we're just gonna do it. Are you getting in a car wreck? Go backwards, you crashed. Ah! Buddy. Good job. And Daddy is building a sandbox. We're trying to decide where we should put it. It's a sandbox with a canopy that my sweet in-laws got us. Okay, do you see the beauty behind me? I am planning a baby shower for one of my besties here in Tulsa, and I'm so excited about it. I absolutely love throwing parties. So I've just been getting ready for this event the last couple of days, working with a couple local vendors. I'm doing the flowers myself. The event's on Saturday. I'm buying the flowers on Friday from Trader Joe's. Normally I would try to go to a flower mart, like in San Diego I used to shop the flower mart, but unfortunately they don't really have one here in Tulsa that I can shop. You have to be like a full-time florist, or at least as far as I know. So if you live in Tulsa and you know of a flower mart, you let me know. And if you didn't know this, you can ask for buckets at Trader Joe's and they'll put water in them and it keeps your flowers fresh. The theme of the shower is kind of like a very girly, very feminine tea party. The baby's name is Pearl, so I have some absolutely adorable Pearl moments happening. And let me just show you what I got. So I have everything washed and just sitting here for setup. My mom let me borrow a ton of her goblets in like different shades of pink and purple. I scoured Etsy and I've somehow got my hands on all of these vintage teapots, which are so cute. We're gonna have tea sandwiches. Do you guys remember when I went vintage shopping and I found the yellow ones right here? Well, I found other ones on Etsy to get to 26 because I need 26 teacups. Hey, Scout, how you doing? I found these at Target. These are plastic. And then look at these toothpicks, you guys. Can you even, for baby Pearl, They have pearls at the end of them. So each little tea sandwich will have like a toothpick in it. We're gonna do egg salad sandwiches. We're gonna do cucumber sandwiches. I've got these really beautiful, I'm gonna link this stuff too that I got on Amazon. If you're throwing a party, they have so many colors, and this fabric is actually really good quality. And then these are gonna be my vases. So on each table, I'm gonna do 2 vases. The tables are pretty much this size. It's gonna be outside, and I'm praying it doesn't rain, but we'll have like a runner down the center, 2 different floral arrangements, and then I'll have 2 of these little tiers on each table that have little tea sandwiches. There'll be a bowl of salad. I'm working with an amazing vendor here. Oh my gosh, my tree. Oh. It's a statue. You know, I had 2 babies in 2 years. I can't keep a plant alive. I'm working with this company called Bellamar Design. She's awesome. She's like built her business from the ground up here in Tulsa. She does everything, balloons, event rentals, backdrops, and I'm gonna do the flowers tomorrow. Another gal, one of my friends is throwing the shower with me, and she is like taking pretty much all the food she's preparing, which she's such a champ. And there's kind of, I'm at that point in the process where it's like all this stuff has been prepared. I just kind of have to wait for tomorrow to happen. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna kind of take you along, show you how it goes. Taking the big truck, the daddy truck, because we're going to Lowe's. I now have to get potted plants because I was planning on having more time to do this, but of course things just go faster than you anticipate. But I want to get some little filler, like seasonal plants for the front door, and we have some pots in the front door that I wanted to put some flowers in, and then also a pot in the backyard where people are going to walk by. You know, when you live in a place with seasons and you have winter, your yard and everything looks terrible during winter because everything dies back, everything's dry, like the leaves are everywhere. So to like de-winterize, to springize your yard is like a thing. And maybe that's a thing in San Diego too. I just didn't have a yard in San Diego, but like everything kind of stayed alive and just kind of year round, like just stayed looking pretty good for the most part. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to Lowe's, and I scouted out what I wanted 2 days ago, but it was pouring rain, and so I decided just to come back today when it wasn't raining. So I'm hoping that those flowers are still there because they had so many good ones and they were really, really, really affordable. Home Depot's, they had a terrible variety available. There was like nothing, and they were like triple the price. I was shocked. So anyway, we'll see what we find. You and me, plant. Let's do this.
I didn't know you could back a truck up.
I didn't either. Want to see what I got?
Yeah.
All right, that's enough filming. You can help me now. Was that cool or dumb? I don't know. I think we should just make a compilation of Sharrah trying to be cool and then confessing it to Jessie after the fact and failing. Okay, I've showered and I have my floral arranging outfit on now. I feel like all the florists wear like flowy linen wear. So I've got my linen shirt and these pants. I need to link them for you. You know, you don't want to wear yoga pants every single day, but you also don't want to wear jeans. It's so cold in here, which is perfect. I turned the air conditioning up down really low, but up really high. That way it was like a refrigerator in here. I'm gonna link these pants because they're elastic waist, but they're like a linen-y. They have them in all kinds of colors, wide leg. They're just cozy. Oh gosh, my hair. I let it air dry. You know, all of us are wondering, where did Brody's curly hair come from? Look, I found it. I'm gonna bring all these flowers in. I'm gonna lay them out, organize them by type. and bring all my vases in and then get to arranging. Okay, I'm gonna take all the plastic off of each thing now that it's categorized. I have my roses right there, my hydrangeas and ranunculus, my tulips, and then this is all my filler. So here we go. On the roses, I take off all the leaves, and then these are called guard petals. And if there's any that are clearly damaged, I will take those off as well. You kind of take all the one layer of exterior leaves off and you reveal a very beautiful rose. Now I learned this trick from my florist. See how tight this rose is? If you want it to be open, a little more open, here's what you do. Take it between your hands. Now look at that. So you just kind of blow on it and then swirl it a little bit and it opens it up. I am exhausted. I am so excited for tomorrow. I am just praying that it doesn't rain. On Monday, it said it was gonna rain, and on Tuesday, it said it was gonna rain. But then as of like yesterday, there's a chance it's not gonna rain, and I'm so excited. Anyway, I have been using, I told you guys about the Osea brand. Remember they had that glow kit that I was using the other day? Well, they also have the Undaria Collagen Body Lotion, and I've been using this every night on my hands, really on my whole upper body. But it's a collagen lotion, so it has Undaria seaweed in it, which just restores the skin's barrier. It also has hyaluronic acid, which just like drenches your skin in the most delicious moisture. But if you guys like hand cream or if you just like lotions at night, I just love it. And the smell, I put it on before bed and it just like instantly relaxes me. It also delivers firmer skin in just 4 hours. So if you have crepey skin, if you just want the appearance of just firmer, brighter, more moisturized skin without the greasy look, really this is amazing. Put it everywhere. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's cruelty free and it's vegan. So if that is something of interest to you as well, just so you know, apply to damp or dry skin, use morning or night. That is exactly what I do. So if you guys want to try out the Osea Undaria Collagen Body Lotion, I'm gonna link my link below. Make sure you use my code Sharrah UCBL. Highly, highly, highly recommend. This is gonna be like my go-to product this summer. Just like replenishing that moisture barrier. We all need it. You can use it all over your body, but I love having it by my bed. I'm just gonna unwind. Tomorrow is gonna be a good day. I am super excited. All of my flowers are in my fake refrigerator, which is my back house right now. I'm gonna wake up bright and early. We got the rentals coming super early in the morning. It's just a matter of like setting the tables and getting everything set. It is shower day.
All right, Sharrah, it's go time.
Woo!
What are you guys doing?
We're in the boat. Hurry up, on the boat.
Well, I kind of forgot to film. Now I have my pimple cream on. And I have so many precious flowers. I think this one was my favorite. I'm gonna just put them around my house tomorrow. But everyone is tucked in tight. Need to get a pedicure. That is for sure. My feet are barking. Good night.